rock climber.
And you are shades of gray, living day to day. Even when we're free, it's true. Difference is the same. The colors always change, but the song is the same now. June lifting us higher. Ooh, we can see so clear. Ooh, we can see so clear. Ooh, we can see so clear. Ooh, we can see so clear.
I just pick up all the ones that never hit anything. Just go and collect them. There's this one over here.
Get away from the cameras.
What? Where are the cameras? Oh! I didn't see them. I'm so sorry. That's my dream. I am.
We have too much stuff.
It's definitely not possible to bring all of our luggage to Sacramento.
I'm excited. Pretty tight.
I like it.
Just a little bit.
I'm super comfy, honestly. This is good. I feel like my mother is holding. I don't understand what
I'm never overpacking again. Yeah.
I'm only camping naked.
I want to see Chris Burkhardt. That's my dream.
Me too. Chris
That's
Burkhardt
my
is so
dream is to
cool.
run into Chris Burkhardt in Yosemite.
Yo, Julian, what are we trying to do right now?
We're trying to hike El Cap. Currently is some point in the morning. Just woke up. We all froze our butt off last night, except for Cam, who was freaking. He was so toasty. But everyone else is freezing. Still freezing, actually.
Yeah, it was I think 9 degrees, a low of 9 degrees, so.
Fresh. Should try it.
So we hiked all the way up here. See that sign says 2.1 miles, and then there's no trail. So we decided just to be wise and do the one with the trail. So that's Eagle Peak, and let's hope it turns out to be a good decision.
Alright, so we made it to the top of a mountain, not El Capitan, but it's fine because that was really far away. And we ate all of our food. And now we are on our way back to the base camp car place. And we actually have to rush it because we're having dinner at someone's house, so amen to that. Currently, we're all going to break our ankles. So Yosemite is my national favorite park.
Leave a comment in the description below.
This is the backwards sled. We finished. High five, everybody. High five. High five. Yes. Yes. It's time to die now, aka eat dinner.